first consider the expression for negative 5 plus the quantity of 4 times x. Now take the product of negative 8 and that expression, and then add 6. So let's do it step by step. First, we're going to have this expression, negative 5 plus something. So it's going to be negative 5 plus the quantity of 4 times x. The quantity of 4 times x, well, that's just going to be 4x. So it's going to be negative 5 plus 4x. So that's this expression up here. Now take the product of negative 8. So we're going to take negative 8, and we're going to multiply the product of negative 8 and that expression. So we're going to take negative 8 and multiply it. So that expression is this thing. That expression is this thing right over here. So the product, if we say the product of negative 8 and that expression, is going to be negative 8 times that expression. That expression is negative 5 plus 4x. So that's negative 8. That's that expression. The product of the two, so we could put a multiplication sign there, or we could just leave that out, and implicitly it would mean multiplication. Take the product of negative 8 and that expression, and then add 6. So that's, and then add 6. So that would be then adding 6 right over here. So we could write it as negative 8, open parentheses, negative 5 plus 4x, and then add 6. Let's do one more. First, consider the expression, the sum of 7 and, so that's going to be 7 plus something, and the product of negative 2 and x. The product of negative 2 and x is negative 2x. Negative 2x. So it's 7 plus negative 2x. We could write that as 7 minus 2x. So this is equal to 7 minus 2x. These are the same expression. What expression would be 4 plus? So now we're saying 4 plus the quantity of 2 times that expression. So it's going to be 4 plus some quantity. 4 plus the quantity, I'll put that in parentheses, the quantity of 2 times, do this in magenta, of 2 times that expression, or in yellow. 2 times that expression, let me do this in blue, that expression is this thing right over here. So the 4 plus the quantity of 2 times that expression, 2 times 7 minus 2x. And we are done.